Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the logic board on the Nintendo Switch right Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the not working logic board from the unit. First, pull out the battery compartment holder. Next, disconnect the antenna head and pull out the unit. Next, undo 3 screws securing the holder. Next, gently pull out the battery compartment holder to disconnect the ZR button flex. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cable to free the battery compartment holder. Next, lift the lever and slide out the right SL/SR button connector flex. Next, lift the lever and slide out the right Joy-Con rail connector flex. Now, the right rear shell can be freed from the housing. Next, disconnect the vibrator motor plug. Next, lift the lever and slide out the joystick connector flex. Next, undo 2 screws securing the board. Next, lift the lever and slide out the camera flex. Next, lift the lever and slide out the NFC flex cable. Next, gently pull out the not working logic board from the body. Next, place the new logic board on the frame. While placing, secure both camera and NFC flex ribbons into the slot, and then fasten levers. Next, gently place the board and secure two screws. Next, secure the joystick flex connector and then fasten the lever. Next, slide in the right SL/SR button connector flex and then fasten the lever. Next, slide in the right Joy-Con rail connector flex and then fasten the lever. Next, connect the vibrator motor plug. Next, place the R button in place. Next, secure the ZR button ribbon flex and then secure the lever. Next, gently place the battery compartment holder and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the Bluetooth antenna head and place it in the frame. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.